mobile marketing technology. Is your business ready? Making the move to mobile. With the advent of new technologies, we always take our ability to communicate with us. Smartphones and tablet PCs put the World Wide Web at our fingertips no matter where we happen to be. The challenge facing marketers is that mobile marketing and advertising is one with blurred boundaries and undefined borders. Many enterprises view mobile marketing as merely an extension of internet marketing instead of its own new universe. What is mobile marketing? Mobile marketing isn't exactly a new thing, but it does happen to be the thing. Social media has also gone mobile. It takes on a number of different forms, ranging from the simple SMS text message all the way to full-fledged mobile apps and mobile-ready videos and commercials. Mobile marketing is taking your message to today's cell phones, smartphones, tablet PCs, and other mobile devices that are tucked into purses, pockets, and other easy-to-reach locations across the entire globe. Today's mobile marketing trends. Smartphones are expected to overtake other mobile options this coming year. While text will still be a popular, profitable medium, apps will grow in profit potential and demand. Social networking will continue to be one of the demands that mobile consumers are seeking to accommodate their addiction to status updates and tweets. Location-based targeted marketing campaigns will be easier to envision and implement, translating into more foot traffic for brick-and-mortar establishments who may have previously been hesitant to dip their toes into the world of mobile marketing. Let's put it into perspective. What is the number one reason for wanting to do mobile marketing? What has kept you from making this move before? What is your biggest mobile priority? What moves, if any, have your competitors made? Do you receive mobile marketing messages and advertisements? Which ones are most and least effective? What are your greatest expectations and what are your biggest fears? In Chapter 1, we will start out by looking at today's mobile technology. See you in the next video.